That's right, it's Lobelia, or Cardinal Flower. No plant speaks to me more in late summer to early fall than Lobelia. It's got these extremely long tubular flowers, which makes it a perfect plant for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Lobelia does best in part sun and slightly moist soil. So I'm sure you have that spot in your garden that you just haven't found that right plant yet, and maybe Lobelia is the plant for you.
If you have a moist spot in your garden, whether it's sunny or shady, I've got the perfect plant for you, Cardinal Flower. It comes in reds, blues, purples, and whites, and does well in sun or shade. If you're trying to figure out if you want the red or the blue Cardinal Flower in your garden, here are some facts that might help you decide. The red Cardinal Flower has a longer, more tubular-like flower, which is great for attracting hummingbirds. And in fact, it's one of the few plants in North America that relies on hummingbirds for pollination. Blue Cardinal Flower has a shorter, wider opening to the flower, which is a lot more attractive to bumblebees. So this plant actually relies on bumblebees to pollinate rather than hummingbirds.
Lobelia is such a cool plant with a lot of interesting qualities to it. The leaves contain a chemical compound similar to nicotine, so it's being used in studies to help smokers quit. A long time ago, indigenous tribes used the flowers and leaves in a tea that would aid in stomach cramps, and actually the Pawnee tribes would use the flowers in a love concoction as well. The red cardinal flower is especially unique because it's theorized that it evolved this bright hue to attract hummingbirds who could pollinate it using their long beaks, whereas most insects probably couldn't reach all the way down the flower.
Lobelia, otherwise known as cardinal flower, is a late-blooming, sun-loving perennial. And they like wet to boggy soils, which makes them a wonderful option for a wet spot in your landscape or a rain garden.
So if you're looking to fill that wet, sunny spot with bursts of scarlet, blue, or purple, look no further than Lobelia. We have so much more plant-based content coming your way, so make sure you like this video, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these amazing videos that we're making for you. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.